Hello, darlings. This is your add and subtract decimals Edpuzzle. So, a little disclaimer, always read the small print here. Make sure you're an expert at the topic above, adding and subtracting decimals, and realize that you will also be asked to combine the current topic with previous ones. And this is fair game on any math quiz. We can always back up and ask you old questions and combine them. So this means that in this quiz, you will need to add and subtract negative decimals. So make sure you're ready for that before you do this Edpuzzle. Adding and subtracting regular decimals and adding and subtracting negative decimals. So if you need to review your negative note, stop and do that now. I do want you to use a blank sheet of scratch paper and something to write with. Okay, you cannot use your notes, you cannot use websites, you can anything like that. So make sure you're putting those notes away. And by typing the statement in here, in the quotes, that's what you're saying, is that you're not using notes, just a blank sheet of scratch paper and something to write with. You cannot use any of the songs or websites or anything like that. You can't open those things. So go ahead and type, "I have neither given nor received any unauthorized help on this assignment," in the window. All right, our first question is 3.2 plus 5.8. Our next question is 6.79 minus 4.21. Our next question is 7.2 plus 0.003. Next is 5 minus 0.07. So remember where the decimal is in the 5. Next is negative 8.9 plus 2.6. And our last question is negative 0.01 minus negative 3. All right, you survived. Great job.